Hello folks, today we're doing a commercial roof inspection, and I wanted to share with you something that didn't really need to happen, but it did because of lack of neglect. But you see my drains here, and you see how it's all built up with debris and nastiness. Look at all the crud in here. But you can see this crud actually is caustic, and it literally is now peeling my roofing of material away. Look at that. I mean, this is one of the worst I've seen, because you know, when actually any like your wood or leaves or anything starts breaking down, they become caustic. And look at that. I mean, if you could see back up in there, you can literally see where my roof is heaving up, and it's all the way down through here. And this is how bad that is because of the lack of drainage. They got it over here at this section and then all the way through here. But this is what you're looking for, folks. And this is a problem, but it doesn't have to be. Be proactive. Think about it, and you're going to save yourself a ton of money. Because now this is going to cost a lot of money to fix this because somebody didn't follow through and check. Anyway, thank you for watching our videos, folks. Hit like, subscribe, share with your friends. Hope this has been educational. I hope that you've gotten something from this, and God bless you. We appreciate you. Thank you.